In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user permissions in HubSpot effectively. This guide will be especially useful if you need to control and customize access to HubSpot's various tools and features, ensuring that your team members have the right level of access depending on their roles within your organization. Let's get started by accessing the user permissions. First, you'll want to head over to your HubSpot account and look for the settings, which is symbolized by the gear icon. Click on it, and in the left sidebar, you'll find the Users and Teams option. Select that, and you'll see a list of users. Locate the user whose permissions you need to adjust and click on their name. This will bring you to their profile, where you can manage their access. Once you're in the user's profile, navigate to the Access tab. This is your control center for permissions. Here, you can grant or restrict permissions for various HubSpot tools and objects such as CRM, marketing, sales, and the service features. You have the ability to toggle access for different areas, ensuring users have just the right level of access they need. Additionally, you can assign users to permission sets, also known as user groups, which apply a predefined set of permissions tailored to your needs. For those who require more detailed control, you can choose to view, edit, and even delete permissions for particular objects like contacts, companies, and deals. If it comes down to specific properties like phone numbers, you also have the power to manage who can view or edit them. Now, if you're looking to streamline access management for multiple users, then creating and using permission sets is the way to go. To do this, stay in the Settings and Users and Teams section. From there, navigate to the permission sets or user groups. To create a new permission set, click on Create Permission Set. You'll be presented with the option to either start from scratch or use a handy template. Assign the necessary permissions to the set and give it a descriptive name. Once your permission set is ready, you can easily assign it to a user by returning to their profile, selecting the Access tab, and choosing your desired permission set. As you navigate user permissions in HubSpot, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. If your team members require full access and control over the account, you might consider assigning them the super admin role. However, be sure to grant this role cautiously. For users who need access based on their team or ownership, explore the Teams and Owned-Only permissions. It's also worth noting that HubSpot allows for bulk editing. By selecting multiple users, you can adjust their permissions all at once by clicking on Edit Permissions. Finally, make it a regular practice to audit user permissions to ensure they align with your organization's security and productivity needs. This not only keeps your operations smooth and secure, but also optimizes overall efficiency.